Splitting payments with friends or family on Venmo is simple and super convenient. If you want to share the cost of dinner, rent, or anything else, well, here's how to activate split payments in just a few steps. First, open your Venmo app and log into your account. Once you're in, find the transaction you want to split. This could be a recent payment you made or received. Tap on the transaction to open the details. You'll see an option labeled split. Tap on it, and Venmo will ask you to choose the people you want to split the payment with. Like you can select friends from your contacts or manually add their usernames. By default, Venmo divides the total evenly between everyone. But if you want to adjust each person's share, you can easily do that by entering custom amounts. This makes it flexible if some people owe more or less. After setting the amounts, you can add a note describing what the payment is for, like dinner last night or a utility bill. When you are ready, tap send request. Each person will get a notification asking them to pay their part. You can always check the status of your split payments by going back to your transaction history. Here you'll see who has paid and who still owes their share. And you can send reminders or cancel requests if needed. And that's it. Venmo makes splitting bills effortless and keeps everything organized in one place. Like always, if you have any questions, you just drop them down in the comment below. And yeah, like, subscribe, and definitely comment.